So my cat's
I wish that Bill would have
and
come
he's
to me
okay.
on this. If he felt that these responsibilities could have been rearranged, I don't feel like that's something we need to bother you with.
Hi.
And I wish he would have come to me and we could have discussed it and come to it.
Hey, bud. Sorry, we don't have treats for you.
Right. Okay. And then the other thing is, one aspect of it that Bill was whining about was that because my team asks his team questions that he feels we should know the answer to. So what I'm going to say to Kathy is, I don't know what these questions are, and I can educate
So his name
my
is
team
Madison.
on how to analyze.
And he's a cute. He's not always nice.
But I feel that if his team is the owner of the calculation, and when I was doing this,
Aren't you?
and I was training Bill, I trained him on how to analyze those trends. That's already being done.
Hi.
Already releases the information. So I don't see a problem with my team questioning it, although I can educate them better and be more
And he is he's 17 years old, and he's on he's on Prozac, prednisone, and another medicine that helps his stomach. The Prozac heals his anxiety because he has a lot of anxiety. And then the prednisone. He has cancer. He has stomach cancer, which I feel bad. The prednisone helps ease the inflammation. Oh, there's a robin. Let me see. Red robin. Did it fly away? I wonder if I can approach it.
But I also don't see, I see people of all teams. I see people
did it fly away?
from my team with questions, so
I don't know if it flew away. Oh. Yes, it is. Probably don't care, but that's my neighbor. Don't do the cheese, but that's my neighbor. No, I have a lot of neighbors. The cardinal flew away. Oh well. We tried. We tried and failed. Better than never trying. Oh, you are a cutie. You're very handsome. We have to get you more treats. Yep. Wave that tail. Don't want to say wag it because that sounds like a dog. Listen. Hi. Hi. Howdy. That's cool. Listen. Listen. Is that annoying for you? Oh, you're not looking at it, so.